Hey guys, my name is Patrick Cogen and in this video I'm going to talk about affiliate marketing for beginners and all you need to know before you start, so stay tuned. If you are new to this channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button right below this video. This channel is all about growing your online business, whether it's affiliate marketing, email marketing, landing pages, sales funnels or building websites so you can take your business to the next level. If you are not familiar with affiliate marketing, it's basically a way to earn commissions by selling other people's products, programs, softwares, services or anything like that. You don't have to create your own product, but you can become an affiliate of the particular product and you can refer people to that product, and every time you sell it to someone, you will earn a commission. It's pretty simple concept to understand, but it's much harder to make it work. How much you can earn depends on different things, but commissions can be from 3% up to 90% in some cases and up to 100% for upfront sales in some rare cases. In order to become an affiliate and enter the realm of affiliate marketing, you have to have affiliate link with your unique ID. So when someone purchases the product or service from your link, you will earn a commission. Where to get that link? There are several ways to get your link, but I'm gonna show you my 3 favorite ones. The first one is called JVZoo. It's free to join and you can go to this marketplace right here and choose your product from these categories. It can be business finance, education, entertainment and other categories. Once you choose your product you want to promote and you get approved by the vendor, you will receive your affiliate link and you can start promoting. The second one I want to show you is Warrior Plus. It's also a website for affiliate marketing. It's free to join and there are lots of digital products you can choose from, mainly different courses coming on everyday basis. But before you can promote a particular product, you have to be approved by vendor and after that you will get your link. Third website and my favorite one is called ClickBank. You can create your account for free right here and then you can go to this affiliate marketplace and you can choose from dozens of products in all these categories right here. Almost all of these products on ClickBank are free to promote. You don't need to be approved by a vendor. You can just make your pick, get your affiliate link and start promoting right away. I will put links to all 3 websites in the description below so you can check them out. The one thing I really like about affiliate marketing is when you choose the product, you will get tons of free material you can use in order to promote your affiliate link more effectively. So for example, I will choose category called health and fitness. And on this page, you will see lots of products you can promote. So if you sort the results by gravity, for example, we will choose the red tea detox. I will click on this affiliate page. And on this page, you have lots of promo tools you can use to promote your affiliate link. As you can see, you have banners here, product images, different videos, email swipes, and other stuff you can use to get your results faster. But affiliate marketing is not the get-rich scheme. It requires lots of hard work, focus, and endurance. I want to tell you guys that affiliate marketing really works, but you need to be patient, offer lots of value, and eventually you get your desired results. So now you got your link. There are several ways you can start promoting your affiliate link. There are free ways and paid ways. I will mention just a couple of them. Free ways. First way, blogging. You can start writing blogs, creating lots of content around your topic, basically sharing value, and if they want to learn more about the topic, you can put your affiliate links inside your blog. For example, you can highlight some words in your article and put your affiliate link there, and when they click that affiliate link and buy, you will earn a commission. Second way, social media. It can be Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, YouTube or anything like that. The best one to choose is either Facebook or YouTube. So for example, you can create a YouTube channel and start creating content around the product you want to promote and then put your affiliate link in the description. This is the way I do it and lots of other YouTubers as well. And then we have paid ways. First, Facebook ads, Bing ads or Google ads. With paid traffic, you need to have a website or better a sales funnel. I will also put a link in the description if you want to learn more about sales funnels. But basically, sales funnel can be a simple website with an opt-in form for your potential customers, and you are giving them something for free in exchange for their contact information, usually name and email address. After that, you can remarket them later via email because almost nobody is going to buy for the first time they see your offer or affiliate link. Second payway, my favorite kind of traffic, solo ads. Solo ads are a great way to get traffic to your website fast and get faster results. Basically, how it works is that there are vendors with huge lists and they offer to send out emails on your behalf if you pay them a certain amount per click, and they will send traffic directly to your sales funnel. If you want to learn more about solo ads, I will put a link on my video in the description. There are several crucial points you need to know before ordering solo ads, so be sure to check it out. As you can see, there are free ways and paid ways you can promote your affiliate link. Of course, there are more of them. I just wanted to share a few so you get the idea behind it. I want to thank you guys for watching this video. I will put all links I mentioned in this video in the description, so go ahead and check them out. If you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to hit the like button right below this video. It helps me know that you like this kind of videos and I can do more of them. Also, if you are new to the channel, be sure to smash that subscribe button if you don't want to miss out on the future content. If you guys do have any questions, just go and comment below in the comment section and I'll try to get back to you as best I can. With that being said, I hope you guys really enjoyed this video and I'll see you in the next one.